Every year, nearly 19 million people were diagnosed with cancer. This is a call for all of us.
My cousin fell ill with acute leukemia, and that was a very hard time for the entire family, and he eventually died. I said to myself that I would like to take part in this fight against cancer.
We have worked together with the University of Heidelberg and with the Bosch Health Campus. It was challenging, but at the end, it was successful.
Our project ProCell for Patient aims to develop an automated manufacturing device for the point-of-care and decentralized manufacturing of CAR T cells and beyond. In the long term, this will hopefully significantly improve survival rates and the quality of life.
25 to 40% the patients with leukemia and lymphoma will be cured.
Optima were asked to translate a totally manual process to an automated process. And for this, we had to learn all the steps they normally do and to translate them in automation.
The basic principle of CAR T-cell therapy is that you get T-cells from the patient. You perform a procedure which is called leukapheresis, like blood washing, and you collect white blood cells for further processing, particularly for genetic modifications to make specific antigen-specific, target-specific T-cells. You have to augment the cells, you have to stimulate them, you have to bring them into proliferation to get a high number of cells. For the genetic modification, it takes almost 2 weeks, and that is very labor intensive. That the stability of quality in the entire manufacturing process is majorly augmented through automatization. By using an automated device like ProCell, you can perform more manufacturing processes per time period.
With my background in cancer research, it is really important for me to do something meaningful that ultimately benefits patients and ideally helps them to live longer. In my opinion, the key lies in collaboration between research, clinical practice, technology, and also the regulatory authorities.
The ProCell device, it's an enormous challenge as it is a large isolator machine. There is also, for quality control, ZEISS microscope as an integral part of the device.
At Optima, precision is key. Our ZEISS microscope ensures every cells meet the highest standard. So in personalized medicine, it's much more accurate and can much better help the patients to get treated. And in this case of CAR T-cell therapy, the most of them are cured after this.
Instead of chemotherapy for everyone, there will be increasingly more therapies that are targeting the individual tumors.
CAR T-cell is a quantum leap, it's a game changer, it sparks new hope for patients in this otherwise desperate situation.